Hey peeps, come with me today because we're getting onto some back roads and we're on a culinary mission. Australia has given so much to the world's smorgasbord: Vegemite, Lamingtons, Chico rolls and Tim Tams, just to name a few. That's haute cuisine for Australians. But today I'm having a rat's coffin. Yep, you heard me right, a rat's coffin, Australia's national dish. But first I need to enjoy the ride to Healesville. And here we are, Beechworth Bakery in Healesville, Rat's Coffin Central. Now if you have a meat pie, you also need to go the dead horse too. That's tomato sauce to you Philistines. You lose your Australian citizenship if you forget the sauce. It's a bit like not knowing who Don Bradman is or never having watched Skippy the bush kangaroo. What's that, Skip? You want a meat pie too? Of course he does. Skippy's bloody Australian. Now let's devour this sucker. It's a nice pie, not the best I've had. The coffin base is pretty hard, a bit like an actual coffin base. Now let's see that in slow-mo. Whoa, he's almost lost a bit of meat turd out the other end with that bite. That could have been a disaster, but he's loving it. Look at the love in those eyes as he gazes at the meat pie. Just looking around to see if anyone noticed me inhaling that pie. Nope, I think I got away with it. So in summary, an okay pie. It's worth coming out here just to ride some of the back roads. Consider the pie a bit of a refuelling stop. And so begins my search for the best rat's coffin in and around Melbourne. Looking forward to the next one. Until then, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, drown your meat pie in tomato sauce, stay safe, and wear a helmet.